Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay guys, so I felt like styling my dining room table my way, so let's get started. So we're going to get to cleaning this table and we're going to be using this furniture polish that I purchased at Dollar Tree. We're going to wipe that down really nice and then we're going to start decorating it. I'm so excited. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now, I do have some beautiful co-hosts. Let me go ahead and mention them. So I have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Jean Home Decor and More, and Mabel's Tables. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Always remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free. Clicking the like button and for watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. So I decided to go ahead and dedicate this tablescape to Deborah Cabasa and her husband Anthony for 37 years of marriage. Isn't that amazing? Happy anniversary, sis. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this beautiful tablescape for them. All right, so let's look at the table. The runner came from Hobby Lobby. That gold vase and the candle holder that is sitting on, that came from the Dollar General. The florals, they were thrifted items. The florals around the candle holder, that came from the Dollar Tree, and the candles themselves, the white candles, came from the Dollar Tree as well. All right, so if we look at the chargers, those are mirror chargers. I did thrift those, and they were an awesome buy because I think I got them in a package of 6. They were taped together, so that was a good buy. Then we have the clear plates. Those clear plates came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have that beautiful, beautiful salad plate. I absolutely love that plate. Those plates, they were thrifted from the Goodwill. So now I have those gold napkins that I decided to use, and they were perfect with those diamond napkin rings. Oh my goodness, they look so beautiful. So I decided to drape it along the top to make it look like a crown. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree. The water glasses were thrifted from the Goodwill. The flatware came from Aldi. And I tell you, it's a budget-friendly tablescape, but also with high and low items. This tablescape is absolutely gorgeous, and I am just so happy with it. Okay, so I'm lighting the candles, and we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-hosts for collaborating in this collaboration with me. I had an amazing time. I also want to take a moment and congratulate Deborah Cabasa and her husband Anthony. Once again, happy anniversary, and I wish you many, many more. Amen. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.